Alrighty, we're back here with a toaster oven from Goodwill, so we're gonna have some fun with it. Now, you're probably wondering what we can do with the toaster oven. Well, it's already heating up, as you can, well, you won't be able to tell or not, but getting very hot very fast. So we have a remote, JVC remote. So we have a lighter, which is pretty much empty. We have this JVC remote, no batteries, of course, and we have this little AC power adapter here. So just cook them up and see what happens. I'm gonna set it to max. We're gonna do it to turbo. See what turbo does, and we'll just keep it on stay on. Try to turn it so we can all see in there. Yeah. Okay, nice and toasty in there, very fast. I've been looking for a microwave, but again, no one has had any for a decent price, and the ones they do have are too small and way overpriced. So luckily I was able to find a toaster oven, so I'm having some fun with it. Oh man, that lighter. Look at the lighter if you can see. That lighter is already warping. I bet you it's going to go. That lighter's so deformed in there. Let's see if I can keep this steady. That must have been the lighter. For sure. Something popped. I don't know if you can see it. Turn it this way a little bit. So you can see inside. This is an Oster toaster oven. Oster's pretty good. Yeah, it looks like everything's getting a little warped in there, so. Everything's getting a little toasty. Make sure you can see that power adapter. That's how everything's looking so far. sure something's going to eventually catch. Just a matter of time. And definitely don't be doing this out in any really bad weather. Luckily, I mean, it's pretty windy right now, but I'm just doing it. I'm in a controlled area where there's not a whole lot of wind, and I'm always prepared in case, expect the worst. But with the toaster, I'm not expecting a whole lot, so. Oh God, look at that. Look at that lighter. That had to be the thing that popped. It has to be. I would have put a full lighter if I had one. Jeez. Look at that remote. It's just oozing through. If we're lucky, we might get some capacitors to pop. Let's see what broil will do. Oh, we'll put it on bake so the top burners turn on. That lighter's pretty much fallen through completely, so if anything catches on fire, it's going to be that. No smoke, surprisingly, yet. That remote is completely done for. Let's see. Should have the top burners on. Oh, we got smoke, a little bit, from the lighter. Oh, there we go. We got smoke. That's gonna catch fire. That's gonna catch fire really fast. Oh God, that stings. Jeez. Shows up a lot better in person, of course, but that lighter is literally down there on the burners, both burners. Well, heating elements, I should say. Just a matter of time till we get some fire. Oh God, you could just see the plastic oozing off the rack. Oh God, look, there goes the remote. There goes the remote. Look at that smoke down there, just the way it's coming off the lighter. Look at the smoke. It's pretty cool. God, it's like oozing goop. That lighter had to be the thing that popped earlier, because it would have popped by now. Oh, look at that heat. Look at the brick. Look at that charging brick. Let's set the bottom ones on now. Let's set the bottom burners, bottom heating elements on. Set it to broil. Remember, we do have this on max at, oops, got a capacitor that popped. We have it set to 450, and we have it to stay on, and it's set to broil. Surprised there's no fire yet. It's not even that smoky. Oh God, that remote is literally annihilated. Look at it. Nothing left of it. Yeah, that lighter popped a long time ago. No fire yet. God, look at that. Should be on by now. Turn the bottom heating elements on, so it should be having fire of some kind. Wow, look at that plastic, how much it's changed color. Jeez. Oh, look, there goes the brick. Starting to seep through. Turn it back to turbo, let's see what it does. Oh, there we go. We have some fire. There we go. Oh God, that stinks. It could very well possibly trip the thermal fuse. There goes a capacitor. Just a matter of time. It's a lighter that caught on fire. If we're lucky enough, we might get a heating element to pop. God, you can't even see in there. I can't even see that remote. Let's try and open it. Oh God, look how black that remote got. Jeez, that lighter's annihilated. It's nice and toasty. Look at that flame back there, man. Oh, there goes the capacitor. There's another one. God, you can't even see anything right now. Completely black. Surprised it hasn't tripped the thermal fuse yet. Oh, there goes another one. There goes the remote, actually. Amazing how fast if you put something in a toaster oven that doesn't belong in a toaster oven, it's insane how fast it could catch fire. So yeah, It's a nice little experiment at the same time. God. Let's see what we have here. Oh God. Wow. Oh God, look at all that smoke. Spoke too soon when I said it didn't smoke much. At least the nice thing is that the wind is taking the smoke away. That had to be the lighter. That had to be the lighter. Yeah. God. I'm not sure if the smoke is, like, all the smoke inside is what caused it, or what. But it's still on. So we'll just unplug it. And we'll let all this air out. God, look at all that. Jeez. Alright, well, we'll come back and take a look after everything's cooled off when I can actually touch it. Alright, well, this is what we're left with. I think this is part of the remote. This is the keypad. Oh man, that thing is... There we go. Nothing left of it. Part of the lighter. The other part of the lighter. The part of the USB hub right here. Here's all the capacitors for it, as well as the outlet prongs. So, alright, well, that'll do it for this video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Check out my main channel, Beanster69. Here's what happened with the toaster oven too. All black in there. Yep, glad we're able to welcome this toaster oven to our channel, and we're gonna have a lot of good cookings in there. So, all right, well, we'll see you in the next one.